Okay, so the time is now approximately 9:15, and as you can see, we are somewhere in between phases 1 and 2. We're still working on the carpentry, right? We had all of those boards that needed to be pulled, so we're now filling in those spaces. We're going to address that extended gap that we found around the chimney, as well as replace this board here where the power attic vent is removed, because we're going to be installing certainteed ridge vent throughout the ridge length, so it's redundant. We don't need it. And then these boards here on the back side of the upper main, which were just totally unnailable, which in the state of New Jersey is a code violation. So we had to change those boards to bring it up to code. And as we finish that carpentry, right, we are also getting the underlayments on. So the front side, you can see from the eave up to 36 inches, we have installed ice and water. And then from 36 inches going all the way up to the ridge, certainteed roof runner is the synthetic paper. So it's going to be a full integrity package from certainteed today. All certainteed products. So the ice and water is winter guard. The synthetic paper is roof runner. And of course, we're installing thin metal drip edge throughout the entire perimeter as well. So, you know, we're well underway. We're going to start to get shingles up on the roof. The last thing we need to do is just address the back side with drip edge, ice and water, and synthetic paper. And then we can start loading shingles onto the roof to get ready to bang those down. Keep in mind, again, we have a little bit of carpentry today. There was no ventilation, so you can see that the ridge is completely sealed, which means that before we can install the certainteed ridge vent, we have to cut a strip in the ridge to allow for that continuous airflow of air in this dead space, the attic space, to escape at the ridge. So, well on our way, and we will check back to you when the rest of the underlayments are down and we're starting to get shingles locked and loaded onto the property, onto the roof.